I've been asked a lot about my clean girl no makeup. I got some very cute comments on my shorts, thank you guys. And today I'm gonna show you my tutorial on how to have a makeup like you don't have any. So let's start with the first layer, and here I will surprise you a lot because I believe that you don't need any foundation at all. We put so much on our skin already, like sunscreen, creams, BBC, CC, but if you have some acne or redness or whatsoever, then probably you need it. So I just use my concealer. This one is really cute and nice. It has this sponge, but actually it was broken. Anyway, I apply it on some spots I don't like on my face, like here, 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 here. Yeah, that's enough for me. And I'm gonna take a brush. I specifically like this round shape. I don't know, it just really works good for me. And with circle movement, I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna put some on my eyes, a little bit. Then I'm gonna go with my brown gel. For clean girl makeup we don't use gels with color, so this one is like transparent, only to form our brows. It really depends on your kind of brows, but I don't like it to be like straight line, etc. In my opinion, doesn't really look natural, so I just brush it. That's it. Already kind of nice. Then I believe that any makeup looks unfinished without blush. I'm a big fan of blushes, and I usually go with Rare Beauty one, but it's very pigmented. It's not for no makeup clean girl look, so we're gonna use this one, which I adore. It's from Chanel, and this is like a blush stick. Yeah, and this is like giving a lot of product. We have much more product here than on Rode blush. That's why I'm not buying Rode one, because it's very small but costs the same price. And I'm gonna smile and put it on my cheeks when I smile. I know there are a lot of different hacks how to apply your blush, but in my opinion the best one is when you smile, because you can see what places are popping out. And then I just gonna go with my fingers. It's giving cute vibes, but wait until we put some powder on it, so it won't be that much. And also you can apply your blush on your eyelids. I prefer using my Dior palette. I've been having this one for like 5 years. I bought it in 2020 and it's 2024, so it's like 5-year-old palette, and I still haven't used it. This one got broken just after like a week, and I've been using it like this for 5 years. Incredible. So what we're gonna do here, I pay 50 euros and I didn't have any mirrors. I'm gonna put my mirror here. Then we take our brush, your favorite one, and we're gonna highlight above our blush. I like highlights when it's not like too much. And I'm gonna take my brown color here for my, how do you call this part? Also gonna apply it a little bit here. So for this part, I do like this, and I see my natural line and blend it. I can also put it here, like making this kind of 3-letter. The same here, and I'm more than happy with this. You can also do like nose contouring if you want, so you only take this dark with your fingers. Here, if you want, like this. Is it making my nose smaller? And I'm gonna put some bright in the center. So do you like it? And then for the clean girl no makeup, I'm not using any eyeshadow palette because I have this one. Why it's my favorite thing ever? Because I can use it as my eyeshadow. Genius. So with my fingers I'm gonna put some white in my inner corner, so it will pop my eyes a bit. Then it depends, I can either choose this natural or this rose for my central part. Yeah, and it's giving like a very clean look. And then I'm gonna put some brown, but this time I'm gonna use brush on my corner here, and I'm gonna blend and blend and blend it so much. So for clean girl makeup I'm not using any eyeliners because it immediately shows that this is a real makeup. So like this I'm more than happy, but we need some final touches, which is definitely powder. And I have this powder for like 10 years. Do not judge me, but I mean like still working, it still looks good, so why not using it? And it's very beautiful. So I'm gonna use my cushion to make my blush less visible in my highlights. You don't see a lot of, I believe, on camera, because camera is kind of like, it's the makeup nice, so it's like very light, very light one. Do you think it's fine to use makeup like 10 years old? I don't think it's a good idea, but I mean, like, it's working, it's good. This was a very beautiful collection by MAC. They're not doing it anymore. Also, my lips, I won't use any lip liners because we're doing very natural makeup today. I'm gonna use only like a lip balm, not even a lipstick. We can use lip balm with some color in it, like this one is very rosy. This is my most favorite lip balm ever on earth. It's from Rare Beauty. It's incredible. I even bought it like 2 times, which is like a very rare occasion for me. And to finish it, we'll definitely use mascara because, yep, without mascara, even the clean girl, no makeup is not finished. So first of all, I'm gonna curl it a little bit. Tell me if it's really working, because I don't see any difference. But I have very poor sight, maybe that's why. Okay, I'm gonna put our mascara. My most favorite one is from MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black. I know it's not that fancy, it's not that beautiful, it's not even pink, but it's really good. You see? This is very good brush. A little bit, not too much. Usually I put it like a lot. Well, actually the curler thing is working. I see some difference. I'm not gonna put a lot, so they won't stick together. When lashes are sticking together, well, we see you have some makeup. And maybe a little bit down here, but not too much neither. Do you remember Kylie told that she has like a one swipe magic and she like put it like 10 times?
Gorgeous. It's really a one swipe wonder, which is what I love about it.
I'm more than happy with my makeup. It looks very natural. My husband will never tell that I have some makeup on like any other boy. That's cute. So tell me if you like it. Tell me which mistakes I made, because I'm not like a makeup artist. I don't know, just follow for more, guys. See you later.